Hasta Uttanasana. Stand straight and breathe normally. Now raise your hands above your head while breathing in deeply. Now stretch your arms back and bend your trunk and head a little backward to create a slight curve. Hold this pose for 10 to 15 seconds. Lower your arms while exhaling to come back to the starting position. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. Tadasana. Stand straight. Now while deep inhaling, raise your both the arms and interlock your fingers. Raise your heels and stand on your toes. Feel the stretch. Hold this position and your breath for 10 seconds. Now while exhaling, release your pose to come to the starting position. Repeat this cycle for 10 times. Trikona Asana. Stand straight. Now spread your legs apart and extend your arms and bend. Eyes up in the skies. Stay in this position as much as you can. Now come back and do it with another side. Perform this 8 to 10 times. Vrikshasana. Stand erect. Fold the right leg and place it at the top of left thigh, with the toes of left leg should pointed downwards. Extend your arms above your head. Inhale and try to make Namaskara Mudra with your palms. Balance the pose as long as you can because balancing is utmost important in tree pose. Try to make your spine straight and feel the stretching from toes to fingers. Bring arms and leg down. Repeat the same with left leg. It completes one round. Do 3 to 5 rounds. Uttanapadasana. Lie flat on your back. Inhale slowly and lift the legs at 45 to 60 degrees from the ground. Hold this posture for 10 seconds or as much as you can. While exhaling, relax your posture by lowering legs. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Bhujanga Asana. Lie down on the stomach. Put your palms beside your shoulder and the head should rest on the ground. With inhaling, raise your head up to the navel region and try to see the roof. Maintain the position for 10 seconds. Come to the original position slowly with a deep exhalation. Repeat the process for 5 times. Paschimottana Asana. Sit down straight with your legs together by stretching in front of you. Now, raise your hands up and bend your head and trunk slowly forward to catch the toes. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly and try to touch your head to your both knees. After few seconds, slowly return your starting position. Breathe normally. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana, straighten the back. Inhale slowly, raise the arms. Keep them straight. Now exhale and bend forward. The arms, trunk and head should remain in one line. The forehead and arms should rest on the floor in front of your knees. Relax the whole body. Slowly get back to the Vajrasana position. Perform it 3 to 4 times. Mandukasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Put the palms at navel region. Inhale deeply. With exhale, bend forward and put maximum pressure on the navel area. Inhale, exhale slowly. Maintain the pose as much as you can. Come to Vajrasana with deep inhalation. Perform it 3 to 5 times. Savasana. Lie flat comfortably on your back. Try to make your neck and shoulder muscles relax. Rest your arms on each side of your body. Hands should face upward. Eyes should be closed. Now try to feel your body and its parts. Hope this yoga sequence works beautifully for you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.